In today's vlog, we'll showcase an exquisite two-story house and lot available for purchase at the exclusive price of 26.5 million pesos. This property is situated along the national road of Panglao Island, Bohol, Philippines. Spanning an expansive 1,000 square meters of land with floor area of approximately 512 square meters, this property is a titled lot featuring the convenience of a single signatory. The owner has decided to place this property on the market due to her permanent relocation to the United States. In this video, we'll guide you through a detailed tour of the amenities, explore the various rooms, and provide all the essential information you need if you're contemplating to purchase this property. So let's start. As you step into the residence, a warm welcome awaits you in the form of the expansive receiving area. Spanning dimensions of 6 by 5 meters, this inviting space sets the tone for the rest of the house. Adjacent to the receiving area is the dining space. Adorned with a round dining table capable of accommodating 4 chairs is part of the package deal, ensuring a complete and stylish inclusion in your new home. Moving onward, let's explore the inviting living area. Boasting dimensions of 5 by 4.5 meters and adorned with an expressive high ceiling, this space exudes spaciousness. Please note that the sofa and appliances showcased are not part of the inclusion. Continuing our tour, we arrive at the expansive kitchen area. Designed with ample space, it features a convenient nook bar, an island counter, a well-appointed pantry, and both overhead and under-counter cabinets for your storage needs. Notably, the range with hood and refrigerator are included as part of the package. Moving on, let's explore the room situated on the second floor. This is the office room. This workspace offers a private retreat, complete with its own balcony for moments of relaxation. You also have the option to convert it into an additional bedroom if you desire to expand the sleeping quarters. Next on our tour is the master bedroom. Boasting dimension of 6 by 5 meters, this space includes a private balcony, offering scenic views of the front yard and the national road. The master bedroom features 2 walk-in closets, one dedicated for the husband and another thoroughly designed for the wife, ensuring ample storage and personal space for both. Connected to the walk-in closet is an expansive and well-appointed toilet and bath area. The shower is particularly noteworthy, featuring a wall made entirely of glass blocks from floor to ceiling, providing both natural light and modern aesthetic. Additionally, the bathroom includes a luxurious bathtub. Adjacent to the shower area is the water closet. And directly in front of it is a sleek counter housing 2 lavatories and complemented by 2 mirrors, adding a touch of elegance to the space. Behold the panoramic view from a bird's eye perspective. So to sum it up, these are the details of the property. The lot area is 1,000 square meters. The floor area is around 512 square meters. It has an overhead water tank with water pump, a fish pan and a spacious yard, a carport, a sunken living area, dining area with dining table, lanai, a kitchen with pantry, range with hood, and refrigerator. It also has 6 bedrooms, a master bedroom with balcony, 2 walk-in closet, toilet and bath with bathtub. It also has an office room with own balcony. And it has 3 common toilet and bath, a laundry room, and a perimeter fence. For any inquiries regarding this property, please feel free to reach out to us through the following accounts and contact numbers.